Hello everybody, Heine here. As you probably remember, I was working on replacing the seals and gaskets on my camper windows. And I used the screws that I thought would be the right size. However, they were a little bit longer than they should have been and they cracked the window. So today, we're going to remedy that. So let me get you focused in here. As you can see, there's a package from Ace Hardware. A little plug to Ace Hardware. About the only thing that I think is cheap at Ace Hardware is cut to order glass. This was $5. So I brought in my old piece, the one that I cracked, and I don't know how visible that is, but no, there it is. There's the crack. So brought this in and they cut me exactly to fit. Well, actually not exactly, but close. So now we can disassemble the frame because I didn't want to like screw up and not know which part went where, so I put it back together while it was still fresh in my memory. But now we're going to, or I'm going to undo this. So here we go. And a pleasant surprise while I was there, I saw this chart on the wall. And the chart was for this glazing strip, this guy here. And I mean, there's probably nothing wrong with using this guy, but they had brand new one. And it's about the same size. So I'm going to use a new one, I think. Yeah. So there's the old. There's the other old one. And let's see here. Take that off too. And to be honest, this is my first time ever doing anything like this. But it doesn't seem like it's all that difficult, so I'm having a stab at it. Taking that old piece out. Okay, that was pretty dirty. Now, how to do we put the channel on there? And I see with the old one, what they did, they cut, cut the channel, not all the way through, but right at the corner so that you could bend it. So, actually, I'm going to do a 45 on this one. There. And then I'm going to mark the corner that would be there. And I'm actually doing a 45 and another 45. And now we can, we can corner that there. Let's see. Okay. Move this to the side here a little bit so I can work on this. And there's the tip. And this gasket here at Ace charged me $2 for a 3-foot piece, so that wasn't too bad. I took a chance because I didn't know the size, and but it looks like it's gonna work out, so it's positive. I'm gonna have to cut a little more of this guy here. Okay. Come on, man. I mean, it looks good. And now we're all the way around. Okay. And there we have it. So let's see if we can slide this into the channels here, that would be a good thing. Oh yeah. Wow. So I got that one in, but this one on that side, there we go. Did you hear that snap in over there? Okay. And now, just the top one, and we're done. Hopefully. Yep, that's it. Let's put some screws in there. So I don't know, let's cut the tip off of that one. That is what it used to look like. And as you can see, it's at least 1/8 shorter. Go slow, so we can feel any resistance and any cracking noises. None there. All right. Let me see. Oh, here's one that I already cut. Just using my pliers and taking at least 1/8 off. I suppose you could put it on a grinding wheel too if you have a grinder. Let's make sure that doesn't crack. I'm not happy with how that didn't bite at all. Okay, that's better. Oh, look at that. All right, 2 more screws to put in. And I'm trying to make sure that all the edges here and the cuts line up, because when they do, then you're in the channel with the screw. That bites really nice, and that screws already in there, so we're done. All right, so that mistake was unfortunate, but not too bad. fix. So there we are. Let's put the window, the whole window ensemble on here and see if we can't get it all together without cracking another one. Okay. So I'm gonna open this jealousy part up. That gives me access to these brackets so I can screw that on. Now I have to have 4 of these prepared. One. 2. 3. And 4. So let me see if I can show you. That's the screw I just cut, and that's the screw before it was cut. And that little bit was all it took to crack that window. Anyway. It's about 1/8. So let me adjust this a little bit here. So you can see if I crack it again. Yeah, I mean, it was a $7 mistake, but now I got a brand new seal there. This, okay. Well, wait a minute here. So not quite there. Gotta get under, lift it up. There. I think that's it. Okay. I'm a little bit scared, I must confess. That's very good. Let me just stand this up. I gotta get myself some new screwdrivers. I think my tips are slightly worn out. Got that one. For some reason I can't get that one in to line up. Okay, I think we're getting there now. I don't know. Maybe not. No. Maybe it's that particular screw. Let's see if I got a different one over here. Getting there. All right. That's it, my good people. So we managed to put new seals on this camper window. Now, I did notice one thing, and that is that this eyebrow that's on top here, this gasket here, for some reason, it is bending funky. See how it's not like straight like that. It comes in, and I don't know why it does that. I think I must have pinched it. And I do see that there's a pinch there. Can you see that? No, you can't. There is a pinch right there. And I think that is what's causing this gasket not to stay straight like that. It bends in. I can live with that. So that's one window, my peoples. That I managed to clean up. To, well, not only clean up, but also repair the pane. And that's ready to be installed. So, everybody have a good rest of your day. And I will see you again soon. Bye-bye now.